Welcome back to my channel, and today's our topic is easy way of learning Morse code. Introduction to Morse code. Morse code is a method used in telecommunication to encode text characters. It is named after Samuel Morse. Rules for Morse code: a dot lasts for 1 second, a dash lasts for 3 seconds, the space between dots and dashes that are part of the same letter is 1 second, the space between different letters is 3 seconds, and the space between different words is 7 seconds. This is the International Morse code chart. It is quite difficult to learn Morse code with this way. So, we have another method to learn Morse code. It is the Morse code tree. This is an example of Morse code tree. It is quite easy to learn Morse code with this method. If you want to learn the Morse code with this method, just follow the path of the letter. So, if you want to find the Morse code of letter E, then follow its path. If you go towards the left, then it is a dot, and if you go towards the right, it is a dash. Let's take another example of letter R. To reach letter R, you have to take a left, then a right, and then again a left. So, there is a dot, a dash, and again a dot. Let's practice for more letters. Find the Morse code of letter G, W, and V with the help of Morse code tree given alongside. Check your answers. Now, let's practice finding the Morse code of the given words. Give your answers in the comment box.